let's make my tea in batch. So it's gonna be in this cup to store. So I'm just gonna take that out of here, and I'll add a little bit just in case. Actually, no, it's okay. I'm gonna leave room for anything else I want to add. And I'm just gonna put a lot of herbs in the pot and boil it. So let's get some things together. These are the teas I'm using 4 pack of this. This is a burdock root tea, and then these two right here. I'll show you guys the package if you want. These are burdock roots. I'm just gonna open them up and place them in there. These two, one of them is brown rice and how you call it? Let me let this thing hang. Brown rice and green tea. I believe that's this one. And this one is some herb that I don't even know the name for you. Okay, so the other tea is going to be the cinnamon seal tea. And I believe it has brown rice also. But all of these going to help with antioxidant, detoxifying my system. And I'm just going to speed this up. And yeah, it's basically going to help with digestion also. So if you know, you know burdock roots. It's very, very good to have herbs. And green tea, as we know. I feel like I might add more green tea in there. Oh, I took out 3 pack of the green tea. Okay, that's good. But I'm also going to be adding other herbal teas in there. I'm going to put some moringa in a tea bag and add that to it. I'm going to be taking my hibiscus flower, putting that in there. Possibly some lemon. And yeah, it's going to be a very good detoxifying tea. Now I'm going to get a good amount of dates and water off because I don't plan on using sweetener. If I do, it's most likely going to be like honey. I don't know how many dates that is, but that's why you know. Yeah, they're already DC, so that's good. Let's add some hibiscus in here. I'm gonna picture it because sometimes hibiscus comes with like mess all in there. So gotta clean it up a little bit before. So you come with like stems and other stuff in there, so you gotta pick through it. So actually, if you add them in a pan and add water to it, all the dirt gonna come on the surface, and you can just easily pick that off. I know that's part of the hibiscus flower, and the good part is some of these be having seeds. And when I see one that has seeds, I take the seeds out and I use it, or I keep it. So in the future, I can plant it. So I'm not mad if they come with some that has seeds in there. I'm even blessed. I'd be really super duper happy. Hello, Mama.
Hi.
Oh my God, I gotta call your great grandmother. My bad, my bad, my bad. Go bring my other phone, please. Yes, calapapi. Go ahead, look at my bed.
Good. I need that.
So this is my second wash, as you can see. Also, the dirt is gone off. Okay, so this is how much tea we got out of it. I got freshly sliced lemon in there instead of boiling that portion of it. And I boiled some with it, and then lemon. Sorry. It's okay, that's fine. Come try it. This is what we got. I added ice to it, so it's a little bit cool. But not like super cool, right? You try it first. Let me know a nice opinion. Hold on. Put the camera this way. It's nasty. Because it's not sweet.
Kind of.
It's not nasty, but you don't want a lot of sugar in it. I'm more honey. But it does taste sour. I don't want a lot of sugar. It's very healthy. I don't want a lot of sweetener.
Alright, that's enough.
Wait. Let me mix it up. I kind of want more ice in there.
Yeah.
So it can be like iced tea.
Iced tea.
Drink it. Why are you still drinking? Because it's good? Can I have my juice, my tea? Ding dong, ding dong. Can I get it? Then get your own cup. And leave mine to them. Can I taste it? Yeah, tastes like Zobo drink. That is like Zobo drink.
Let me get more ice. I feel like I want
Ice out here. The ice out here.
Where? Is it? Where's ice?
Lemon seed. No more video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. It's so cold. That's a lot of ice.